Have you ever needed to write a letter to someone important, like a teacher, principal, or even a company? Writing a formal letter is a great skill to have. Today, we're going to learn how to write a formal letter step by step so you can send messages that are clear, polite, and look really professional. Step 1. Your address. Start by writing your address at the top right corner of the page. This helps the person receiving the letter know where to send their reply. For example, 123 Maple Street, Springfield, Illinois. Step 2. The date. Write the date right under your address. This shows when you wrote the letter. For example, August 26, 2024. Step 3. The recipient's address. On the left side, under the date, write the address of the person or company you are writing to. Start with their name and include their title if you know it, like Mr., Mrs., Miss, or Doctor. For example, Mr. John Smith, Principal, Lincoln Elementary School, 456 Oak Street, Springfield, Illinois, 62704. Step 4. The greeting. Now it's time to say hello. Start your letter with a greeting. If you don't know the person's name, you can write Dear Sir or Madam. If you do know their name, use it. For example, Dear Mr. Smith. Step 5. The body of the letter. This is the main part of your letter where you explain why you're writing. Be clear and polite. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to ask for permission to start a new book club at school. I believe this club would be a great way for students to share their love of reading. Example number 2. I am writing to express my concern about the playground equipment at our school. Some of the equipment is old and it could be dangerous. I would appreciate it if you could look into this matter. Step 6. The closing. To end your letter, use a polite closing phrase. If you don't know the person, use yours faithfully. If you do know them, use yours sincerely. Step 7. Signature. If you're writing the letter by hand, sign your name under the closing. If you're typing it, just type your name. Step 8. Review before you send. Check for spelling mistakes and ensure everything is clear and polite. Here's an example checklist. Did I include my address and the date? Did I write the recipient's address correctly? Is my message clear and respectful? Did I use the correct greeting and closing? And that's how you write a formal letter. Whether you're writing to your teacher, principal, or even a company, following these steps will help you make a great impression. For more information and resources related to writing a formal letter, head to twinkl.com.